Hello everyone, today I'll be doing homework 8YT. Homework 8YT asks us to write a truth table that prints out a nicely formatted table given 4 booleans that alternate from true to false and a few circumstances that have to achieve. So over here I have the code for it. As you can see over here I have a nicely formatted header, and the next line is just going to be printing 115 hashes, and in the next few lines is a nested loop. And this nested loop, what it does is first it sets p to true, and then q to true and false. True will be true, and then when that's true, r will go true and false, and when this is just true, this will go true and false. So as you can see, when this is true, when r is true, this s will go true and false, and when r is false, s will go true and false as well. And when q is true, r will go true, where s will go true and false, and q when q is false, r will go true and false, and s true and false. And you get the idea. And that's how this nesting loop is working. And this will give me the 16 possibilities that I'm gonna have. That's 2 to the 4th. That's how many possibilities of true and false combinations for all these 4 elements that I'm gonna have. And next line will be printing this very gigantic list. And as you can see, this will be printing string of p, string of q, and string of more stuff, as you can see. And this will be printing it in nicely formatted ways, as you can see, because I'm using the format function, and I'm formatting it the same way I'm formatting this header. And the reason I have the string function over the p, q, r, and t and stuff is because when you just when you have this, I just found out when you have this centered indicator over here, these will be printing as 1s and 0s. So when it's false, it will be printing 0, and when it's true, it will be printing 1. So I didn't want that, so I put it in the string function so that they could print false and true. So let me run this, and let's see what's gonna happen. So as you can see, I have 16 possibilities over here, and this would be alternating a lot more than this would, and this will alternate more than this, and this will alternate the most. And over here we have the circumstances that we have to achieve. P and Q, this will look at if P and Q are true or false, and if P and Q are true, it will print true, and if P and Q are false, it will print false, and if one of them is false, it will print false as well. R or S will print true if at least one of them is true, and false if none of them are true. And that's what you're seeing over here. As you can see, R or S, when they're both false, it would be printing false. Not R or S will be printing the opposite of what R or S would be printing. And the next one would be P and Q, or not R or S. And this is a little bit complicated, but to type it in the code, it's not that hard, but to understand it is a little bit challenging. But what this is saying basically is it's either R and Q, both of these have to match, or it has to be not R or S. So what that means is that if one of these is true, looking at these two bigger elements, if one of these is true, then it would be printing true. And this will be true when P and Q are both true, and this will be true when R or S are both false, because when they're both false, the not of it would be true. And that's what we have over here. So that's my code, and this is my one of it. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, see ya.